Hello guys, for today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Charge 5 from JBL. So here's the box. It is Bluetooth version 5.1, JBL Party Boost, which you can connect to different speakers which are compatible within the JBL brand. In the back you do get the specs. We do have a 20-hour of playtime per charge. You do get a IP67 rating, waterproof and dustproof resistant. You also get a power bank, which you can charge your phone from the speaker. That comes in handy. And let's get to opening it up. So to open it up, you just pull from the bottom. And right off the bat, we do get this little booklet. And inside the booklet, oops, I believe it was through the other side. No worries. So we do have the charging cable. It is USB-C. It is USB regular to USB-C, as you can see. That's the charger. And we get some documentation inside. Let's put that aside. And inside the box, you do get the JBL speaker. We got the color black with the orange finish in the letters on the sides, as you can see. It feels pretty solid, pretty well made. Soft texture, rubber in the bottom. Feels like a very good made speaker. So to turn it on, all you have to do is just click the power button. You should hear that noise. And here is the battery indicator. Once it's at the top, it means it's fully charged. So to connect it to your phone, what you have to do is go to settings. You have to go into your Bluetooth connectivities. And what you want to do is click on the Bluetooth button once. You should hear that noise. And then it should be connected. And let's just go ahead and test the audio. Let me just go ahead and put some music here. So that is 50%. So it does get pretty loud. It is a pretty loud speaker. It has great bass, great sound quality, and after all of it, you do also get waterproof. Here's the where you charge it, where the charging port goes. Here's the USB where you can charge your phone, and this is where it works as a power bank. You close it and it seals right off, covering it from water and dust resistant. And there you guys have it. We also have the party link button here. So what you would do is you would click this party link button, and then you would be able to pair with other speakers. You do get your volume down, your volume up, and your pause button. If you click it 2 times, it skips. If you click it 3 times, it goes back. It's got a beautiful. So there you guys have it. Thank you for watching.